Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this ring. So let's get started. To make this ring, the materials you'll be needing are a connector. Here I have a flower. There's also different designs like this one and much more. And you'll also be needing some metal beads. I'll be using some scissors, clear stretch cord, this is 0.8 millimeter, and some glue. I'm using E6000 glue, and I have some toothpicks. So let's get started on to making this ring. So first you're going to take your clear stretch cord and cut like 15 inches off of it. So here I have mine. Then you're going to take your connector right here, and you want to take one end of your clear stretch cord and put it through one of the little holes, as you can see here. Start from the inner side and pull it out, and do that to the other end as well. So it's going to look something like this. So now you're going to start putting your pattern. So first I'm going to put 4 beads on each side. Here I have my metal beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Two more. So now it's time that we put our connector. So first you're going to take both of the strands and go to the end and line them up. There you go. And then you're going to take your connector and put one strand on each side, like I am doing here. Let's do it. There we go. Take your connector, put one strand in each hole or on each side. So now you just want to pull the connector down. Now I'm going to put 6 of my beads and then put the other connector. So now I've finished putting all my beads. So now we're going to take both of our strands, but take one at a time, and you're going to enter them in the other side of the hole, and it's going to go from outward, from out to in, like that. And you're going to do that with your other strand. So something like this. So now we're going to start making our knots. So first I'm going to do a regular knot. And then I'm going to do a scissor knot. Make sure it's tight. And now we're going to do a regular knot again. Tightly squeeze it so it won't go loose. So now we're going to put glue on it. So I'm going to take a toothpick and my glue, and I'm going to take a paper napkin so it won't damage the surface. I have my toothpick and my paper towel. Here's my glue. So you're going to take a little bit of glue and you're going to apply it on the knot to just glue it together. There we go. And then just squeeze it again or tighten it. I'm going to put the glue away. So now you're just going to let your glue dry. After your glue is dried, you're going to cut the rest of the stretch cord that is left with your scissors. Make sure not to cut the knot. Ta-da. And now you could just tuck that in right there. And it will just look like that. And there you have your ring. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!